Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer Ton coin from Tonkeeper to Telegram wallet. This tutorial will be quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and also leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now on Tonkeeper, you want to of course send some Ton coin. So you're going to go and just click send option at the top. It's pretty much like so. Now you're going to enter the address. So you need the address, you need to go to Telegram. There's a few options how you can go ahead and send to. You can either use Space and send it here because the wallet address will be different, or you can just go ahead, choose assets Toncoin and click receive and send it straightly to Telegram wallet. Here you will see the address which you want to go ahead and copy and go back to Tonkeeper. So just go back, enter the address name, and the comment is not required as you're sending it to Telegram wallet. Now you click continue. Now you will need to enter the amount of Ton you want to go ahead and transfer. And that's pretty much it. After that, you're just gonna send it to your Telegram wallet. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.